welcome back. Now, I did a video ages ago about building a weld positioner and never finished it. Necessity being the mother of invention, I now need a weld positioner quickly, and well, here goes. This is not my idea, it's copied. I think the first one I saw on YouTube was I think someone called Viking, who's an awesome welder, and he has this rotating device powered by feet under the table, so that's what I'm going to try and copy. I found a lathe faceplate and a big bearing, and I've just sat that on there so she spins on the floor. Bit of tube, this is all made up from scrap found around a workshop. Bit of tube, and the tube will come up through the hole in the bench like that. This will sit on here, and for now, just to get her going tonight, we slip a couple of bolts in there. Start moving, like so. Okay, and the nice thing about this is there's lots of momentum in it and it turns really smoothly. It'll turn itself for ages. Now, on the top here, to take out the slop, the little bush that I've just made. And I've got a piece of aluminum. I'm kind of hoping it will rest on the bush, pick up the ground. I'm just going to have to put a set screw in the side to make it turn. Done job, an hour. Alright, well, this is going to be fun, never having done it before. I'm going to attempt here with my left foot on the pedal, but I'm going to just floor the pedal because I've got the amp set about right. So that's going to eliminate that variable, just going to floor it. And my right foot is going to be resting here and gradually turning here as required. Something round, just for kicks, just for trying. I've got a hand rest here. You can get in here. I can rest my feed hand on the bench. I'm gonna go for it. This is, you know, looking at TX Viking's videos, TXS Viking I think it is, it makes it look easy. I've actually got torch hand, feed hand, pedal foot and positioner foot. Ooh, normally you have to split your mind 3 ways when you're welding, but 4 ways is going to be fun. So let's give it a shot. Right, I'm just going to take a little dry run and then go for it. So. know what, for a first attempt I am liking that. I got my rod stuck, you probably saw at the end, just had to go over that, but really pleased with that. Simple, very quick, very easy to build weld positioner. Done. Now I better get on with welding some parts. As I say, what I'm going to do eventually to give me a better ground is to get this block of aluminum pinned to the top here and just resting on this bronze bush, and I'll probably cut a few little circles in here for reference, for centering things up, and maybe a reference just to be able to put this chuck on it, a little register for that. And I'm going to call that successful for tonight. I'm not unhappy with that at all for a first attempt. I'll let you into a secret. It was a second attempt. I had to practice before I filmed that, but still, well pleased with that. There we have it, powered by feet. Going to take a bit of practice to get used to using, I think, the pedal to control the amperage at the same time, which I want to do because it takes a while to get going if you don't have a few extra amps available for starting. I also noticed when I watched back the video some sparks coming off the bronze bush there, and it improved the grounding, but that's not a major problem. You know, all in all, I'm well pleased with the results, so I'm going to persevere and practice with that. I want to get this chuck, I can remember in the first part we took these chuck jaws and coated them with bronze. I want to get this chuck, this old lathe chuck, able to mount on top here. A good ground, I might put something, you know, some cable wrapped around here or something, we'll see. And but it is a very promising start, so thanks to TXS Viking. Check out his channel, it's awesome.